Dudes and dudettes, it is the next day. Mr. B decided to come right after work, after a little bit of a meal, and help us out, finish up the Harley, see if we can get it done today. Should be able to. All we have to do today is, Mr. B,
tighten everything to spec.
Right.
Put on the primary cover, floorboard, exhaust, a foot bracket for the passenger.
That's all we have to do. So let's get to work. So first we have to loosen up the clutch cable so we have a little bit of play, and then after that we'll adjust it to where it's supposed to be, right?
Yes. It's completely disengaged.
Okay, now we have to put some Loctite on the nuts. And gentlemen, on the nuts on the Harley, not on your own nuts, because it could get really irritating for your skin.
It's a bit smooth. Try to remember it's left-hand thread wire.
That's right.
75 Newton meters. Oh shit. I might need it.
Gravity works.
Still works. We checked it.
We've come to the conclusion that a cheap torque wrench only clicks to one side. So if you tighten a bolt, that's how it measures the Newton meter or the foot-pounds. So now we're going to have to rely on this trusty old snap-on to get the job done right. Yeah. See, you guys, if you got good tools, then it'll work. But not like this. Not with these cheap shit that we got. If it works only one way. Special tool.
How much was it? 90.
90 foot-pounds. So now we got the compensator sprocket up to specs.
7/16, I think.
And now we have to tighten up the clutch bolts. What do you got to do now, Mr. B?
Put in the clutch plate. So this plate with the clutch.
The clutch adjustment plate?
Yeah.
Did you lose it again?
No. You put the book over my tools. No problem.
Yeah, and last time we did that wrong.
Yeah.
Weren't paying attention.
That's right.
And then a half a turn out.
Half or 3/4.
Okay, now we don't suggest you reuse an old gasket, but when you're on a budget, you're going to give it a try anyways.
It's brand almost new.
Yeah, it's only been used 60 kilometers. Remember, it's not like a condom. You don't reuse a condom.
You can use it 3 times. Inside, outside, and chewing gum. When you're on a budget.
When you're on a budget. Are we going to give it a dry run first?
Yeah, we can.
Well, then we shouldn't put that on there yet. If we take it off, then we can watch, listen, see.
Without the exhaust?
Oh yeah. So now we kind of just improved a little bit on the exhaust, just put it on there a little bit. We're going to give it a little whirl without the oil, see what it sounds like. So this should be quite exciting. So stick around and see what happens. Okay, give it a shot. Well, that sounds a lot better. That's pretty decent.
That's a rattling sound from your clutch plate.
Yeah,
that's what I was talking about.
So guys, if you're hearing a rattling sound in your clutch plate, the clutch plates themselves have a little bit of play. They're just moving around a little bit. So, but once you're riding, it's fine. It's got oil in there. It's dampening it all, so it's all good. So this little bracket that I have right there, it's ripped, torn down the large part of the flange. So I'm gonna have to buy a new flange somewhere. And it's an old bike, so it's probably hard to get. So the next step is to pour the oil in there.
Oh, the O-ring that you found, Em.
Oh,
it goes
that
here.
Goes there. Oh yeah.
The big O-ring that you found, that goes here.
So just apply a little bit of grease so that the ring doesn't fall out. Ta-da! Ain't going nowhere.
There, I fixed it. Oh, no, that's when you use duct tape.
Yeah, you can just pour it in like that probably.
Just always check if the seal doesn't come off by itself. Because you have to go fishing for the seal.
Oh yeah.
If it does.
Yeah, can't use a magnet on that.
No.
So, okay, this is funny. So we're sitting there putting the thing back together, and I asked him, did you put in the drain plug? No, not yet. Okay, so we put in the oil, and he goes, oh shit, the drain plug! So now we got oil leaking all over the place. So he's got his finger. He's like the little Dutch boy with the finger in the dike.
I'm not,
He's the Dutch boy with the finger in his
I'm
dike.
not Dutch and I'm not little.
No, that's true.
I got this finger in the dike.
I said you're like the Dutch boy with the finger in his dike.
I could put this finger in the dike.
Yeah, yeah. So make sure you have a lot of paper rags to soak up all the oil that you waste. That's good for the economy.
It prevents the bridge from rusting.
That's a definite truth.
That's how we roll. Always fuck something up.
One shot.
Oh yeah. Haha. How the fuck does this thing work? Oh yeah. So Mr. R is going to take it for a spin around the block. Oh, we're gonna get the fuck out of here immediately. And he's even wearing his protective gear. He's got Kevlar pants. Yeah. It's all Kevlar.
Okay, so now it's a test run to see if it works out. No idea if it's gonna work.
Fire it up, brother.
A lot quieter than it was.
Well, who would have thought? Piece of shit actually runs. Yeah.
Dudes and dudettes, I'm not really finished. But it runs, everything's fixed, it doesn't sound really weird or anything like that. The boys helped me out big time and I'm really glad you did. Because it was a piss job to do, but hey, we did it anyways.
It works.
It works. So all I have to do is put on my cases, my saddlebag cases, and I have to kind of fix the right blinker light on the back because somewhere there's a
cases right here.
oh there, yeah, bicycle things, yeah, that'll work. And there's a few other little details that I have to work on, but we'll get to that, and I'm not even gonna bother you people with that sort of thing. So hey, Mr. M, thanks for helping out, buddy.
Yeah, you have a shitty manual.
Mr. B, thanks for helping
You're
out.
most welcome, brother. Most welcome, brother.
Appreciate it. So hey guys, stick around for the next episode of RBM. Repair Crew, because this is what's coming up.
I was found here.